All right, drink we're about to make is called Freson. Put some ice in a glass. And go ahead and measure out 1 shot of dark rum. And follow that up with 1 shot of peach schnapps. So if you like the taste of peach, you will like this drink. Next, we're going to add 6 ounces of Mountain Dew. All right. Let's mix these together. We're getting a nice golden amber color, characteristic of the Freson. And that should do it. And grab a Collins glass. Go ahead and pour it in. And the peach and the rum should mix real nicely with the Mountain Dew and give a nice flavor. That is a Freson. Bottoms up.